Hi everybody, it's Missy Annell. As a fellow parent, I wanted to show you some simple tools that you can use for your kids' education. I am no way an expert, but I thought this might help you with kids' lunch money today. So if you go to infinitecampus.com and go to login, you're going to put in your district's name, and of course your state is Ohio. And then hit search. It's going to come up with ours. You're going to go in as a parent. You should have a login and a password. Just log in there and it's going to look like your campus portal is here. So today we're going to go into the food service. If you go under food service, it's going to bring up all of your kids and their balances there. So you can see, got several kids here. And I'm going to add money into their accounts. So when I go to payments, you can also add in any kind of art fees, that kind of stuff here too. It makes it so simple, but it's going to give you what he estimately spends. So I can either go ahead and click that button and it's going to bring it over, or I can manually change it and add different ones to each kid's account. This is particularly helpful if you have several kids in different school buildings. To get right now, Morgan and I are in two different buildings, so I don't have to worry about sending a check and explaining to the office or to the lunchroom that I need $5 here, $10 here, $25 here, and it's just going to add it up here for me in the total here. So when you do this, it's going to give you a running total down here, and it's going to add that in. If I say continue, it already has my checking account and everything set up there. I say continue here. It is going to add a 35-cent convenience fee. That's not for each person. It's just a one-time fee when I'm putting that money in the account. And let me tell you, it's the best 35 cents I could ever spend. I don't have to worry about writing that check. I don't have to worry about sending it to school, making sure it gets there. I don't have to worry about bothering someone to make sure that it gets on whoever's account whenever it's an account. I can also have the receipt emailed to me. Another nice setting that you can use is if you go to notification setting, you can go over here and have your kids' notifications sent to you, whether their assignments are these, your attendance, grade changes. If it's less than a 70 is what I put, you can change that to anything here. Their balance, their low lunch balance. So you can change that. Of course, if you need it to be less than $100, you get notified. I have it on if it's less than $5. It's going to notify me every day that whatever kid's account is under $5 to remind me to go in and change that. So I can save that and I'm going to get notifications there. This is just a quick tutorial on the lunch payments of things that make my life as a parent easier. So I hope that helps. Bye.